My name is Andreas Papanastasiou, and I'm the Technical Director of Ecliptic Defence and Space. And we are very proudly presenting today at the Cyprus Pavilion the ANTIGONI counter-UAS system. 3 words: drone, swarm, killer. This is what this system does. That's its job. It's effective against all classes of drones, Class 1, Class 2, Class 3. No drones can go past it. This is its main focus, and as RF and microwave engineers, we have built this so that it can counter the threats of today. And the threats of today are the asymmetric threats, where a much stronger adversary attacks with multiple cheap drones, and all air defenses, as we know, can be depleted. As long as you have a system like the ANTIGONI counter-UAS system, no problem. As long as there's electrical energy, you can keep defending yourself over and over and over again. 100 drones can go in its beam, they will all fall down at the speed of light. This is the result of very hard work of very dedicated people. This is what I want to stress. Cyprus is a small island, but it's presenting a system, a complete integrated system that is in par or better with the 3 or 4 other solutions that exist in the world today that are produced by much, much larger countries and industries. So, if there is one message that needs to go out today, is that we can do it in Cyprus and we can do it better. Thank you.